If you're a small business, you've probably got a great product and absolutely nothing around it. No brand, no ads, no social content. Today, I'm fixing that with one photo and one prompt, and this one is sponsored by Lovart. Let's go. So today we are going to turn this really awful, basic, generic photo of a candle with just like a standard lid into something amazing. And let me just show you the difference. We're going to turn it from this into this. Just by using Lovart AI, we're going to turn that basic candle into this amazing looking, fully branded candle with aesthetics and basically making it look incredible just by using Lovart. Today, I'm going to show you how a small business can take one basic product photo and turn it into a full branded e-commerce campaign using Lovart. I'm going to use a real small business product as the example, starting with a very simple product image. Then I'll use Lovart to build out the campaign direction, create consistent branded assets, edit those assets, generate fonts, and even turn the final visuals into a short video. So this is the before, and look at it properly because there's genuinely nothing here. A blank white ceramic jar, a bamboo lid. There's no name, there's no label, no logo, no colours, there's no identity of any kind. This is a completely unbranded product, and that's exactly where a huge number of small businesses actually start. You buy the vessel, you pour the wax, and then you're sat looking at a blank jar wondering how you turn that into a business. So right now it's just a plain product, right? It could work on a website, but it doesn't really feel like a campaign yet. There's no clear brand style, there's no product ad, there's no social content, there's no listing image, and nothing that would immediately stand out in an e-commerce store or on social media. And that gap is the whole problem. You've made the product. What you haven't got is everything around it. The name, the look, the palette, the type, the assets that make someone trust you enough to buy. A blank jar doesn't sell, a brand sells. So I'm going to upload this into Lovart and ask it to create a full branded campaign around the product. Now, I'm going to give Lovart a clear brief, right? I want it to create a branded campaign for this product, including a visual direction, colors, typography, product ad, social post, product listing image, and a poster or packaging style concept. The goal is to make this look like a proper e-commerce campaign, not just one nice image. I'm calling it Ember and Pine. Now, this is where Lovart starts to become really useful because it's not just creating one isolated asset. It's helping build a full brand direction around the product. Here, Lovart is generating the overall look and feel, including the fonts, the colors, the visual style, and layout direction. This is especially helpful for small businesses that need everything to feel consistent across their website, across their ads, their social media, and product pages. Now, Lovart isn't one model, right? It's a whole stack. Nano Banana Pro, Flux, Seedream, and GBT Image for stills. Kling, Via, Sora, and Sedence for video. Normally, the agent routes each job to whichever model they're strongest in it. But, you don't have to think about it at all. But I'm calling Nano Banana Pro directly because I know exactly what this job needs. Two things. It needs the same jar. This exact vessel with this exact bamboo lid appearing in every single asset without drifting into some other candle. And it needs clean text on the label. Most image models struggle with both. Nano Banana Pro holds a reference and renders type that isn't warped or melted. So that's the one I want. And think about what this would normally cost you. Getting to a defined brand direction is usually a project in itself, weeks or a designer or both before you've made a single piece of content. It's happening here in one pass off one photo of a blank jar. So I can also use the brand kit feature to keep the campaign consistent. That means the colors, the fonts, and style choices can carry across the different assets, instead of every design looking like it belongs to a different brand. For e-commerce, this is really important. Your product ad, your listing image, your Instagram post, and packaging concept should all feel connected, because that's what people actually mean when they say a brand looks professional. It's not that any single image is stunning, it's that everything agrees with everything else. The moment your ad and your listing page look like two different companies trust drops, and most small businesses, you lose a sale right there without ever knowing why. Lovart also has different skills which help guide the type of output I want. So instead of just asking for a random design, I can use it in a more practical workflow, like building campaign visuals, product imagery, branded content, and video assets for an online store. And that's what makes a model choice worth caring about. The agent understands that a photo, real product shot, a word mark, and a piece of packaging are all different problems. So whether it's routing them itself or, I've pointed it somewhere specific, the right engine is doing the right job. You're not managing any of that. Now, Lovart has created multiple assets together on the canvas. I've got a product ad, a social post, a product listing style image, and a poster or packaging concept. This is what I'd want to see as a small business owner or an e-commerce brand. Not just one graphic, but a set of campaign assets that all feel like they belong together. And remember what went in. A blank white jar on a white background. That's the entire input. You can see that the branding is consistent across everything. The same color palette, similar font style, product positioning, and overall visual direction. They're being used across the full campaign, and look closely at the jar itself. It's the same vessel, same lid, same proportions in every single asset. That's a bit that's genuinely hard. Most tools would drift into some other candle by the third image. It's exactly why the model choice mattered. That means this could work across a Shopify store, a product launch page, paid ads, email campaigns, or social media posts without having to start from scratch each time. Another useful part is that the assets are editable, right? So I'm not stuck with the first version Lovart creates. For example, I can change the text, I can move an object, adjust the layout, or refine the image so it works better for a specific platform. So I've just asked it to change the headline to made in small batches and move above the candle, and then I'll just run it. And notice this isn't regenerating the whole image. It's understanding what I pointed at and changing just that, leaving everything else exactly where it was. This is where most AI design tools fall over. They hand you something impressive and then leave you fighting it. Here you just say what you want. So this is especially useful for e-commerce because different platforms need slightly different formats. A product listing image might need to be clean and direct, while a social post can be more lifestyle led, and an ad might need stronger text or a clearer call to action. So instead of recreating everything manually, I can make adjustments inside Lovart and keep the same brand direction. Lovart also includes a font generator, which is helpful when you want the campaign typography to feel more custom and branded. Instead of using a generic font that looks like everything else, I can generate or refine typography that matches the product and the overall campaign style. And this is where that model choice from the start really earns itself, right? Typography is the thing that breaks most image generators, right? You ask for a brand name and it comes back warped or misspelled or half melted, right? Nano Banana Pro renders clean, well-formed lettering, which is the only reason this step works at all. Watch this, right? That jar was blank. Now it's got a name on it, and this goes straight into the brand kit too. So now the palette, the type, and the word mark are all locked in. Every asset from here carries a full identity. Now I'm going to take this one step further and turn the image into a video. This is really useful for e-commerce because video is often what you need for ads, for TikTok, for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts or product launch content. So here I'm going to be using the brand kit, and the way that I do that is I go back to the home page, select the brand kit over here on the left, and because we've already created some designs already, I'm going to upload the brand book so that it can fill out everything for me. So you can see that it's extracting everything that I've done. It's picked up the colors, the photography, and all I need to do is just click import. And then I'll just go for create project with this kit. And now when we come to use it, you can see that we have it right here. Obviously you'll give it a different name, but the brand kit is now at the top. So you can just give it a direct thing, create me an Instagram advert for my candle company, right? And right there, it's created something perfect for an Instagram ad just by using the brand book that we created earlier. Super simple, super easy, and it's come out looking so clean. Bang. So we're going to create a video now. So it's just going to be a video of my brand candle flickering, showcasing its beauty. And we're just going to generate that. And this is a completely different job, so it goes to a completely different model. I'm calling Kling, right, because for taking a still image and adding subtle, believable motion, that's the one I'd back. Now watch the flame, because here's the thing, right, that candle was never lit. The photo I uploaded has a plain white unburnt wick. It's generating the flame, the flicker and the smoke from nothing, and here's the final video output. So now we've gone from one basic product photo to a full campaign, brand direction, fonts, colors, product visuals, social content, listing style imagery, packaging or poster concept, and a video. For small business owners, e-commerce brands or creators working with product-based businesses, this makes it much easier to go from a basic product image to campaign-ready content. Try Lovart and see how quickly you can turn your product photo into a full branded campaign. I'll include the Lovart link, tags and hashtags in the post so you can check it out. That's a whole thing. One blank jar, one prompt, a full brand identity, 4 assets in the video. Links are in the description if you want to go yourself. Tell me in the comments what product you'd run through it and subscribe. I test these so you don't waste the credits.